how to clear Roblox cache and cookies on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily clear the cache and cookies of Roblox on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Head over to your settings, then go to general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and search for the Roblox app. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you will see the offload app option. You'll need to tap on it. So, offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data, and this will help to clear cache and cookies while retaining the documents and data. So, after you have offloaded the app, you will need to reinstall it again and continue using it normally. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.